Diabetes is an important public health epidemic because it affects hundreds of millions of people around the world. It not only has a big economic toll, but also has a huge impact on people's day-to-day well-being and can also cause a lot of debilitating long-term complications.
Through our education efforts, we are working with patients at an individual level and really providing people with actionable information to make them smarter about the condition. Through our advocacy and connecting efforts, we're working more behind the scenes at a society level.
So just 2 weeks ago, we reached 200,000 subscribers to our newsletter. It's been, very quick growth over the 5 or 6 years that diaTribe has been around, but every time you hit send on that email, it's reaching that many people. It's pretty incredible.
Working at Close Concerns, it's really cool that we are able to make an online resource that encompasses all of the newest coverage in diabetes, which is kind of like a one-stop shop for a lot of people.
I came from a science background in college. Projects that I'm really enjoying working on at Close Concerns is a sort of stem cell research project. I've always been really fascinated by stem cells, and of course, that's a big part of new technology in diabetes.
So I work on the dQ&A international team, and we send surveys to people in 8 countries across Europe. And I am really excited because we're about to launch our first survey in Italy, so I think I'm most proud of that accomplishment to date.
It's really cool that all 3 organizations work so closely together and that we can interact with one another in our workspaces and also the diabetes ecosystem. I will constantly work with people from Close Concerns when we are partnering on different articles for diaTribe Learn, so it's really cool that we're all able to share that together.
One thing I didn't expect is how big the diabetes stakeholder landscape is. I was very unaware about how many companies, scientists, conferences, and just technological innovation that's happening in the diabetes landscape on a day-to-day basis.
I didn't expect to have so much influence over the direction of the organization. Because we are such a small organization, everyone pulls an incredible amount of weight.
I honestly didn't expect how much responsibility and trust you're given so quickly, which is really unique for a first year out of college position. Having the work that you do actually make an impact in the company and in the world.
Right when I started, I hit the ground running. We're really making real world impact from day one.
This program sets up associates for success really in 2 ways. The first is by skills and work experience and all the things you learn along the way. But then also there's another side of things where the program really encourages you to pursue your future degree or your future career and really has a ton of resources in place.
The work environment at diaTribe is incredibly unique. Everybody's always working together and everybody is a learner, everybody is continuously kind of striving to be better at what they're doing.
This program is really special because it exposes you to an enormity of possible career paths in healthcare. I've gotten to work closely with researchers, with market researchers, with C-suite people at healthcare companies, closely with patients with chronic illness. So I think it really shows the wide variety of ways that you can make an impact on people's lives, and the support here is also tremendous.
You can't imagine another job where you're surrounded by so many people that are so intelligent and ambitious and hardworking, but also that connects you to leaders in industry and really get a very holistic picture of such a critical public health issue.